Long time I tell them, so we're not afraid of nobody, you know. Sorry, tell nobody can stop me from talk. Me a go DJ about a thing where everybody afraid of. As far as me know, long as me remember, if you're born and you grow up in a Jamaica, you know what nobody call you not informer, but you see me, very proud informer. Me not do it for myself, but for Jamaica. You see me, must be an informer. We have to make the sacrifice to make the place safer. You see me, must be an informer. Me have a number for the sergeant, the inspector. You see me, very proud informer. And if me can't get the soup, me call commissioner. Me a informer because me not support the crime. If you do the crime, do the time, pay the fine. Crime is mashing up this country and we acting like we're blind. We should have put a stopping at this thing long time. So if me see a boy with a special or a 9, me go stop on my phone, dial 119. Me get the operator all information. In face color clothes, in full complexion. About the icing on the cake and GPS location. Me a stay up on the phone till all the police them reach. Me civic duty, me say yeah, that me a preach. So me talking to the parents and the kids in the footage. Me chat on the criminals, I'm coming like leech. You know how long me want go night beach, but me can't touch the road, got too much gunshot of it. Every night in my house. Oh me, very proud informer. Me not do it for myself, but for Jamaica. You see me, must be an informer. We have to make the sacrifice to make the place safer. You see me, very proud informer. Me have a number for the sergeant, the inspector. You see me, very proud informer. And if me can't get the suit, me call commissioner. My ear said the Wayne broke in a party shop. Thief the TV and 3/4 the stock. He mind them in a house up on the hilltop. Now when come back a road, them and them friend them a chat. Be a listening cause my ears them the lock. As soon as he mention the exact spot, me go so boop on my phone, pop off my WhatsApp. You know what smartphone, so me send them a map of the location. Give them all what me got. 2 tools me spot 2 undercover cops. In a unmarked car, no siren on the top. Me go let me a cop and a scratch me head back. But I point out they 2 damn thief to the cops. Fancy and my friend single parent and that. So me doing everything we should get the things back. You know me not stop till she get them all back. Cause me very proud informer. Me not do it for myself but for Jamaica. You see me, very proud informer. Me have to make the sacrifice to make the place safer. You see me, very proud informer. Me have a number for the sergeant, the inspector. You see me, very proud informer. And if me can't get the suit, me call commissioner. You can't say they talk about informer for dead. When them kick off you do them boy and not spear. They let them kill your mother and your granny, all your baby and dead. Words if you stand up on a ball and I beg them are dead with love and bullet open up your head. They make the sense to run we and go hide on the bed cause your house a bun down. What more can be said? In the sister every day I just be a blood and shed. Oh me, very proud informer. Me not do it for myself but for Jamaica. You see me, very proud informer. We have to make the sacrifice to make the place safer. Me, very proud informer.
I love it. The lyrical crime fighter. We call him DJ Soup, and official name is Deputy Superintendent Troyville Horton with us this morning.